Okay, so let's have another method. Ito yung tinatawag nating um, divide and average. Okay, divide and average method in getting the square root. Okay, to get the root. Okay, so again, itong root na to is merely an approximation. Okay, it is merely an approximation, no? Okay, for irrational na mga square roots. Okay, so in this case, we will be using square root of 44. We are going to get the square root of 44. Then, we're going to use, of course, or we are going to follow several steps. Okay? Pero hindi naman ganun karami, no, na steps that we are going to follow. Okay? So, 4 lang, then mayroong mga repetition of the steps. Okay? So, first step. Step 1. Estimate. Okay? So, get the range. Range, or yung tinatawag nating approximation or estimate. Okay? Okay, so estimate ng square root of 44. Okay? So, paano ba to? Okay, recall that what we have learned, you have learned, no? So, sulat mo lang si square root of 44 dito. Tapos, you're going to identify what is the perfect square na nauna kay 44 and then next to 44. So, in this case, we have square root of 36. 36 is a perfect square. So, ito yung mas una kay 44, di ba? 36. Sir, pwede naman 25. Perfect square din is 25. Hindi siya pwede kasi nga, yung immediate or next to or mas nauna kay 44. Si 25, mas nauna siya kay 36. Okay? So, we are going to use 36. Then, after that one, we are going to identify the number after 44 na perfect square din. Okay? In this case, we have here 49. Sir, pwede naman 64, di ba? 8 times 8, 64. Well, mas malayo na si 64. Next to 44 is 49. So, extract natin yung root niya na nitong mga perfect square na to. So, we have here 6. Then, square root of 44. Of course, nasa gitna siya. Then, this is 7. So, meaning to say that the value of 44, square root of 44 is in between 6 and 7. Okay? So, the value of square root of 44 is greater than 6 but less than 7. Now, step 2. We're going to look at the highest range. Ito yung highest range natin. Okay? So, you have here 7. So, ito yung the beginning. Okay? Ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, next step is divide. Okay? Divide the radicand using the upper range. Using upper range. Ano ba yung upper range natin? Itong 7. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung radicand, sir? Yung nasa loob ng square root o radical symbol. Okay? So, divide lang natin si 44 by 7. That is equal to 6.5. 29. Okay? So, medyo malapit na to sa value ng 44. And then, after this one, you're going to add 6.29 or you add the result of step 2 sa result ng step 1 natin, yung average. Okay? So, get the average after. Get the average of step 1 and step. So, ano ba ang result ng step 1? Ito yung average natin, di ba? We have here 7. So, we are going to add 7 plus yung result ng step 2, which is 6.29. Tapos, ang sabi, get the average. Ibig sabihin yan, we are going to divide this one with 2, by 2. So, yung result is 6.645. Okay? Then, ito malapit na to sa value ng square root of 44. Pero, if you want to have a more accurate value, yung talagang malapit sa value ng square root of 44, okay? So, repeat na lang the process. So, for accurate result, repeat mo lang the steps. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So, yung mga steps na yan. So, divide ko ulit yung radical by 6.645 and that is equal to 6.622. Okay? So, yan yung result. Then, I'm going to get the average na. So, I will have ito, this one, 6.645 plus, always use the preceding, plus 6.622, then divide by 2. So that I will have a value of 6.335. So, itong value to, 6.335, ito yung approximate value. Value of square root of 44. Okay? So, yan lang po. That's the process. I think I've encountered this one, and the name of this is Newton. This is the same as with Newton-Raphson method. Okay, Newton-Raphson. Okay, so you try to search for this. I just don't know the spelling of Newton-Raphson, yung Raphson. Okay, so this is how to how they call this one, to evaluate or to get the approximate value of square root, the value of a certain number, irrational, ng mga square roots. Okay, so that's the process. So I hope you learned something out from this. Okay.